This has to be the coolest lure that I've ever got off the TikTok shop. So check this out. You just throw it in the water just like this, and it'll swim just like a fish. This thing is crazy, you guys. And it'll stop just like an injured bait fish, but then it'll start right back up. Watch this. This thing is honestly crazy, you guys. This is a fish magnet for sure. This is the perfect gift for anybody you know who fishes a lot, or if you do a lot of fishing, this will be perfect for you. And you guys can just attach it to a bobber, or you can put it on your free line, totally up to you. And the best part about these is that they're on a flash sale right now. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll make sure to leave a link in that TikTok shop right down below.